Hi, welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets. So today I'm just going to go through an app that I've found and I've been using for about a month. It's called a Wavelet app, so it's going to improve the audio on your headphones. So I've actually done a review on these headphones, the Creative Outlier version 2, which Creative sent to me. So I'm just going to show you how the app works with any headphones. I'll just show you how it works with these today. So I'll just get the app open now. So what you have to do, you have to go to the App Store. It is only available on Android, and there it is. It's the Wavelet headphone specific equalization app. Because most earbuds that you do buy nowadays do have some built-in equalization within the headphone app, but this app is free, like I said, to the App Store. So you go to the App Store and download the Wavelet app. So once it's downloaded, this is what the app looks like. So that's what you're greeted with when you first download it. Okay, so I'll just open up the Creative ones and get these connected. So if I just put those down there as well. I will leave the link at the top so you can have a look at the review on the Creative Outlier version 2 as well. That'll be in the link above this video. So once the app is downloaded, this is what you're greeted with here. So you've got this funny thing here. So what you do is you click onto the three dots at the top, and then you click on that bit which says Legacy Mode. And then you click on Auto Equalizer, and in there, this is where you can search over 2,000 different types of headphones that all come up, and you pick the headphones that you're actually using. So Apple AirPods, whatever come up. You've got all different headphones here. So you just put in search there for the type of headphones that you're looking for. Bose as well there, and if I type in Soundpeaks, it brings up all sorts. So obviously once you've found the ones that you're looking for, so obviously there's the Creative Outlier version 2 which I've got there. So what it does, it gives you that actual equalization for the actual headphones that you choose as well. And then obviously you just click that out, turn that on. Then obviously when you've got your headphones in your ears, you can hear a total difference regarding bass and everything as well. So this app, like I said, is only available on Android. It's the Wavelet app. It's free as well, but there is a paid in-app if you want some extra features on there, the ones that are greyed out there. But I found the free version is okay. So like I said, the version headphones that I've got here, the Creative Outlier Air version 2, and that's the waveform there. So it does make a difference on the headphones. So it can change any headphones that you do purchase, and it just makes the sound really bassy, trebly, and mid-highs as well. So just a quick video to tell you about this app. So check it out, but like I said, it is only available on the App Store. So go to the App Store and download the Wavelet headphone equalization app as well. So if you like the video, like and hit the like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. So if you hit the like button, that'd be much appreciated. Subscribe and comment and tell me what you think about this free app that's available on Android. Like I said, it's not available on iOS, it's only on Android, and it's the Wavelet app. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, look after yourself, and I'll see you on my next video.